Coca-Cola, most of us love it to drink it, whether it's the Coke Zero or Diet Coke or whatever. It can also be used as a household cleaner. Brad, feel free to jump in. And Chuck, if you know some of this stuff, jump in as well. It's got is it acidic nature from phosphoric and citric acid. So think about this when you're drinking this next time. You can clean shower heads. Remove the shower head, put it in a plastic freezer bag with Coca-Cola. Watch what happens. It'll disappear in a fizzy pool of dark brown liquid. Return every 15 to 20 minutes to agitate the bag. And after you empty it out, you should wash it off and it'll be clean. It will remove rust. It will clean toilet bowls. It will remove grease stains. Coca-Cola will clean pots and pans. It'll descale kettles. It will clean battery terminals of your car, remove tarnish from metal, and clean tile grout. Did I miss anything, gentlemen?
Nope.
I think it quenches your thirst, too.
And
but,
yeah, amazing.
However, in the Navy, they use red Kool-Aid, bug juice, to
really?
clean brass items from salt and all that kind of stuff. For some reason, it's the red stuff. It will operate as a fine cleaner and remover of salts.
Oh, jeez. How about that? More information about things we drink and put in our body and what it will do.
Yeah.